The totem park for the Royal BC Museum. See the totems up there? This is officially Douglas Street. We walked from the Inner Harbor, past the Empress, down to Douglas Street. This is all the Empress on this block. Now let's take in some totems and an old native house. And that's a historical house, the yellow one with the white picket fence and the squirrel. A gray squirrel, looks like. See him? There's Beacon Hill Park. Remember, the Empress and the BC Museum were just a block down that road. That road being Douglas. But it's a beautiful park. And it's very green right now. This is the dry area of the park. Dry, rocky, not water, natural. There's the rocks. Still benches though. We're going to come back down into the green area. And now we're back to the green area. Sort of. What's these? And one of the lakes or ponds, whatever you want to call it. With a little fountain. And ducks. Terry Fox run's coming up this weekend, it looks like. There's the Terry Fox. So there's several logs out there and log-like things. In a minute, I think we'll be able to see the ship around the point here. Poppies. California poppies.
What are they doing here in Canada?
Gift shop. That's where we went out this morning, and you return to the ship on the other side here. And there are a lot of people returning to the ship right now. Of course, there's bathrooms here, and market on the pier. Look at that. Little individual people selling their wares. And spin your coins for charity. In Victoria, Canada.
And it was a lovely walk.
You didn't see everything on this video. You could watch the regular video to see a little more. We did walk 7 miles, over 7 miles.
And the weather was good. It was very nice.
So from Victoria, Canada,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next port.
Monkeys.